Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Tonight, something powerful is happening. As you listen to this meditation, you are entering their subconscious mind softly, naturally, effortlessly. And while they sleep, you become the thought they cannot escape, the feeling they cannot shake, the dream they don't want to wake up from. By the end of this meditation, they will begin dreaming of you, thinking of you, and craving you. And when they wake up, you will be the first thing on their mind. Now stay with me because this shift begins now. Take another deep breath in and release it. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Unclench your body. Feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into calm. With every breath, you are becoming magnetic, more unforgettable, more present in their mind, their heart, their dreams. Imagine a soft glow surrounding you. This glow is your energy, your essence, your presence. And right now, it's expanding, reaching them wherever they are. Silently or softly repeat after me. They think about me constantly. I naturally enter their dreams every night. I am unforgettable. I am always on their mind. They feel deeply connected to me even in their sleep. Their subconscious mind is drawn to me. They dream about me vividly and emotionally. They wake up missing me. They crave my presence more each day. I am the first thought they have every morning. I am irresistible to them. My energy lingers in their mind. They replay moments with me again and again. They feel safe, happy, and complete with me. They cannot stop thinking about me. I am deeply desired. I am chosen. I am unforgettable. Now let each affirmation sink in. Feel it as truth because it is already happening. Now imagine them asleep, peaceful, vulnerable, open, and suddenly you appear in their dream. See it clearly. They are smiling at you, walking towards you, feeling drawn to you. Feel their emotions, the excitement, the comfort, the longing. They don't want to leave your presence. They feel connected to you in a way they can't explain. And as they dream, that connection deepens. It imprints. It becomes familiar, natural, real. Now see them waking up. Their eyes slowly opening. And the first thing they feel is you. Your energy. Your presence. Your memory. They think of you immediately. They wonder about you. They feel pulled towards you. And throughout their day, you keep coming back into their mind. Effortlessly, naturally, constantly. because now you live in their subconscious. Know this. You don't have to chase. You don't have to force anything. This connection is happening beneath the surface. Every night deeper. Every dream stronger. Every morning clearer. They are thinking of you. They are dreaming of you. They are drawn to you. It is already done. Now take one final deep breath in. Exhale slowly. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes, knowing they are already thinking of you. Now I want you to claim this energy. Type this affirmation in the comments. I am always on their mind and in their dreams. Feel it, own it, declare it. And if you are ready to manifest them even faster, visit joybyjanell.com. There are powerful tools waiting for you to deepen this connection and accelerate your results.